So here's the big question. Is Pinterest still worth your time in 2025, or has it gone the way of MySpace and Blockbuster? Spoiler alert, Pinterest isn't dead, but it's not the wild gold rush it was in 2015 either. The platform has changed, the algorithm has grown up, and the way you make money from it today looks very different from even a few years ago. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tell if Pinterest can still be a profitable part of your business strategy this year. If you're over 40 and building your digital product business slowly, Pinterest deserves a second look. Unlike social media that thrives on constant posting and short shelf lives, Pinterest still functions like a search engine, and that means your content can keep working for you long after you pin it. But here's the catch. The way people use Pinterest has shifted. It's not just wedding boards and recipe collections anymore. Users are actively searching for solutions, inspiration, and products, and that includes digital offers. So in this video, I'll break down what's actually working in Pinterest in 2025, the revenue streams that pair best with Pinterest traffic, how to avoid wasting time on outdated tactics, plus a realistic look at whether Pinterest is still worth it for solopreneurs building a passive income business. All right, so funny story, I was actually one of Pinterest's very first beta testers. Back then, I was taking a class with Elsie Flanagan, and all of us students got an invite to try out this brand new platform. Honestly, I had no idea what to do with it at first, so I made a few boards, things like Design I Love and hairstyles, and one very sentimental board called Someday She'll Get Married, where I pinned ideas for my then teenage daughter's future wedding. For years, Pinterest was just my visual inspiration board. Recipes, DIY projects, holiday ideas, you name it. And the funny part, I ended up with a surprising number of followers and tons of views just because I pinned consistently and had boards for everything from Christmas to baby showers. But when it came time to look at Pinterest through the lens of a business, I realized I needed a completely different strategy. So on August 1st of this year, I started a 3-month test. I optimized my profile for my business, I archived all my old personal boards, and created new boards that were aligned with my digital products. At first, my plan was 5 pins a day. Let's just say that didn't last long. Instead, I've settled into a rhythm that feels sustainable, posting 3 days a week, anywhere from 3 to 10 pins each time. And what I've learned from the experts is that even if you post and ghost, those pins keep working for you. It just takes time. Pinterest is slow burn traffic, and that's why I'll be sharing an update around Halloween to show exactly what kind of results this experiment brings in for me. So Pinterest in 2025 is a search engine first, social media second. A lot of creators treat Pinterest like Instagram. They focus on their followers and their likes and their pin aesthetics. But here's the truth. Pinterest is much closer to Google than to TikTok. Users type in keywords looking for answers. If you position your pins around those keywords, your content shows up. That's the basics of SEO. That's why keyword research matters more than chasing trends here. Optimizing your titles, descriptions, and even your board names is what gets you traffic. The analytics aha moment. Okay, so about 2 weeks into my test, I opened up my Pinterest analytics, and right at the top of that list was a graphic that I'd shared a year earlier. It wasn't a recipe or a holiday idea or anything like Pinterest pretty. It was a pin about setting boundaries. And that one pin had over 1,000 times the views of the rest of my content. That's when it clicked for me. People aren't just on Pinterest for hairstyles and kitchen remodel ideas anymore. They're searching for solutions. And once I saw that, it completely changed my approach. So instead of asking what looks good on a board, I started asking, what are people actually typing into that search bar? And here's how I reverse engineered that. Okay, I have a paid product that teaches people how to create and sell their first digital product. But I can't just pin that and expect strangers to buy it. So I start with a freebie. My 10 digital products that you can make in a weekend guide. Then I ask myself, okay, who's looking for that? What would they type into the search bar in Pinterest? Maybe easy digital products to sell, or what kind of digital products make money online? And those become my keywords. Now I take those keywords and I use them in my pin titles, in my descriptions. And the pin points to my freebie. People grab it by entering their email, and now they're in my email system. And they're going to get a series of 3 emails where I acknowledge their pain points and show them how my paid product can help them. It's super simple, it's automated, and it's evergreen. And the best part, as long as traffic keeps flowing in, that funnel keeps running without me babysitting it. Okay? All right. Digital products are a perfect match. In 2025, people are still using Pinterest for inspiration, but now they're looking for direct solutions. And that makes it an excellent place to promote digital products like templates, guides, printables, or courses. Unlike physical products, you don't have to worry about supply chain or shipping. Someone sees your pin, clicks through, and can buy instantly. This is especially powerful for solopreneurs who want passive income. Once your funnel is set up, so it's pin to opt-in to email nurture, and email nurture to product. You've got a system that works while you're off busy living your life. Okay, and affiliate marketing still works if you do it right. Pinterest has cracked down on spammy affiliate links, but affiliate marketing is still alive and well. The key is creating high quality content around the affiliate product instead of just dropping a link straight to the product. For example, a pin leading to a blog post that reviews your favorite email tool works far better than a pin linking directly to the affiliate program. Pinterest rewards helpful evergreen content. Affiliate income from Pinterest isn't fast cash, but it's reliable if you set it up strategically and you're consistent. All right, if you're finding this helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It lets me know this kind of content matters to you. All right, now, email marketing is non-negotiable. Here's the biggest mistake people make: sending Pinterest traffic straight to a product or a blog post without an opt-in. Remember, Pinterest is discovery driven. People may not know you yet, so capturing their email is how you turn casual browsers into paying customers, because email allows you to build a relationship with them over time. In 2025, your email list is still your most valuable asset. Pinterest can fill that list with warm leads who already searched for the solution that you offer. All right? So, if you're ready to go beyond free resources and want a proven framework, I created a shortcut for you. It's called the Shortcut to Selling Your First Digital Product, and it walks you step by step through setting up a system to get your first sales online. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Will Pinterest traffic make you rich overnight? No. Pinterest is a long game. Pins take time to rank, and results compound over months, not days. But that's actually a good thing. It means the work that you put in now can still bring traffic 6 months or even a year from now. If you're building slowly, this aligns perfectly with the slow burn strategy. You don't need to post daily, but you do need to be consistent. A few quality pins each week optimized for search will outperform 50 random uploads. So that's also why I'm not putting all my eggs in one basket. In addition to using Pinterest for my digital products, I'm starting a pinning strategy around my Amazon influencer storefront. I'll also be creating pins that drive traffic back to my YouTube videos, where I talk more in depth and link directly to my freebies and paid products. And of course, I'll be testing direct links to my Stan Store for lead magnets. The idea is to see which paths convert the best: Amazon recommendations, video traffic, or straight to the opt-in. This is all part of that 3-month test that I'm running, and I'll be sharing an update around Halloween with what actually worked and what wasn't worth the effort. So drop a comment below if you've tried Pinterest recently. I'd love to know your results and if they match what I'm finding. So, can Pinterest still make you money in 2025? Absolutely, if you treat it like a search engine. Focus on digital products or affiliate marketing, and use it to grow your email list. If you want to see how Pinterest traffic actually turns into passive income, the next video you'll want to watch is Sales Funnels: How to Automate Your Sales Process for Passive Income. And if you're ready to move from freebie to full offer, I'd also recommend How Do I Sell My Digital Product Online? Copy My System. Both videos will show you how Pinterest fits into the bigger picture of building revenue streams that don't require you to hustle 24/7. All right, here's to your success. I'll see you in the next one. If this saved you time or gave you clarity, please hit like and subscribe. I've got a lot more videos coming and they're all made with you in mind.